Hi guys, in this video I'll teach you how to add a voiceover to your CapCut video. To start by dragging this to where you want the voiceover to start. I'm gonna make it start right from the beginning. And now the next step is to simply go over here on the right hand side on the little microphone you see here and click. And from here you select the microphone that you want to record with. In this case I want to use the microphone fine here. And now, once you're ready to begin the voiceover, simply click on the red button here and start recording your voiceover. And now we are currently recording now. So you can hear the background noise of the video while you're doing the voiceover so that you can adjust this as you like. And then you stop it here. And now you can see when we click away here that we have a voiceover down here. So when I go back and click play, now. So you can hear the background noise of the video while you're doing the voiceover, and that's simply how you can add a voiceover to your CapCut video.